Congratulations, you finished this section on layout types in Xamarin.iOS. You've learnt how to create a single view, which you kind of already knew. You've also learnt what a master detail view is and how it behaves differently on smaller screen devices like the iPhone versus larger screens such as the iPad. Then we looked at tabbed applications, an example of which is in the picture you currently see, and this is a very iPhone-like layout. You wouldn't necessarily encounter this on Android in case you're thinking of using it there. Then we looked at page-based apps, and a great example of which is the Kindle app, and this emulates the real feel of a magazine and the page-turning effect. Finally, I very briefly covered the web view in Xamarin, which I find to be a bit of a redundant feature. But it's up to you. If you are much more comfortable with HTML and JavaScript, then please do look at the Razor web interface engine that Xamarin has implemented. I believe all of the Razor source code is actually on GitHub, so you can find it there. Okay, now that we've gone through these, my final parting advice to you is, if you want a quick and dirty app, then follow one of these basic layouts from 1 to 4. If you want to be a bit different, that's fine too. You don't have to follow these layouts, but these layouts are very familiar to iPhone users, so you won't have any rejection of your app because people don't understand where they are. So if you're going to go down the custom layout route, make sure it's very, very understandable and ask a lot of people to test it and see if they understand where they are inside of your app's navigation.